All right. I'm not expecting you to do any review over break, but if you wanted to, especially towards the end of break, because remember, Monday you're going to come into class and it's going to be boom. 24 hours later, you're taking this unit test that we spent 14 days on. All right, this unit we spent 14 days on. So I'm giving you everything right now. I'm not going to wait till Monday we get back. I'm giving you everything right now. So I want you to understand what I'm giving you in case you want to utilize it. There is the topics and everything on the test. If you go to Unit 6, you'll see unit test topics. That's the same thing you're looking at right now up on the screen. You guys have that on Classroom. It says unit test topics. It's going to be 2 proofs, our good old coordinate geometry one we've been working our tails off with, and then our traditional statements reasons. I did the answer key yesterday afternoon, and after I did it, I'm like, whoa, because we made this test up in the summer. I was like, whoa, every single quadrilateral we talked about is on there. So if you don't know your properties, this is going to be tough. It might be an algebra problem, it might be a multiple choice, it might be a statements reasons or a coordinate geometry, but I can guarantee every single quadrilateral is on there somewhere. All right. There is no factoring, but you will need Pythagorean Theorem. Okay? There is no factoring, but Pythagorean Theorem is a must to answer a couple questions. And I know most of this unit has been on quadrilaterals, all of them. But remember what we did on day 1. All the polygons, dodecagon, decagon, octagon, etc. How many degrees are on the inside? How many degrees are on the outside? I think I snuck one question in there on that. All right. So that's on Classroom for you to look at. I'm going to show you the same stuff on Monday when we get back to. Right. This is not. I'm not changing my notes over the break. So where can you study if you choose to do so over break? You have the 28 questions in the back of your packet, which a couple of them you already did last night. You also have it. Go ahead, if you still have your packets out, if you turn to the back of your packet, I think it's like page 53, 54, you have flow charts, which list every single property of every single quadrilateral. It's all there for you. Okay, it's all there for you. Also, and I know people do those and you're like, I'd really like more to feel more confident. I posted an extra review on Classroom. You'll see it right there. Also be aware, I don't know the answer to this yet, but I may not be available after school on Monday. All right, we might have our traditional first Monday of the month teachers meeting after school. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. So I just wanted to get that out there. So you guys weren't upset at me come Monday, oh, he's not going to be after school the day before a unit test. Okay, sorry, I'm warning you now. Also on that file on Classroom is if you want to quiz yourself. Do I really know all the rectangle properties? Write them down and then compare it to your notes. All right, so all I did here was put all the figures we talked about, and if you can list all the properties on your own. All right, so I just developed that for you. Any questions about that? So everything is there available on Classroom for you if you want to try to get ready for the test towards the end of break or whenever. All right, second thing we got to talk about. Second thing, bring everything home. Okay, bring everything home with you. I had no knowledge of anything, but you guys aren't foolish. You guys know it's a possibility. We might be looking at each other through a computer screen on Monday we get back. All right, it's a possibility. I have no idea the chances, but it's a possibility. I hope not, because I can't stand that stuff. And I'm sure you can't either. With that being said, the train doesn't stop. If you're home on Tuesday, we're taking the test on formative. Okay, so just be aware of that, please. Okay, the train's not going to stop. I'm going to conduct class just like everyone was here. All right, but obviously it's got to be online. So we all good with that? Okay, we'll have to take it on formative. And another reason why I hate virtual stuff is I'm going to have to log into your Chromebook and making sure you're where you need to be. And I hate doing that, the whole surveillance thing. But we're going to have to do it for the test. Any questions? Bring everything home. Make sure all your quadrilateral stuff gets home. Obviously, you can see period 2, listen to me. Left it behind. Anybody know Eric at all, Backlund? Good boys with him? Okay, great. That solves my problem. I guess I'll have to give him a call in his 8th period class and tell him one job. So we all good? Everyone's good? Not mean to scare you, but I want to be prepared. I'm prepared for if we're here or prepared for if we're home. I'll be here, but you guys may not be. Questions, comments, any concerns? All right, let's close those Chromebooks because you're not looking up a darn thing here. Ho! I don't know if any of you got some advanced words from period 2. It went a solid 4 rounds, maybe 5, I think. But again, they only have 11, 12 people there, so. And then we voted people out afterwards, just like we will here.
Maddie won, right?
Maddie Ward back in the Survivor game. Yep.
She actually told me Carrie won. She was like, "I'm winning."
Yep.
Yeah.
Back in the Survivor game.
She said it. She said Mr. Carmody was going to say today Maddie Ward is our
She did. Yep. And she wanted me to remind you that she did because you had no faith in her. So.
That is not true.
I think.
All right, here's how it's going to go. Just basic rules here. I'm going to generate a random number. That person will be up. You can sit right there at your desk. I will say the word. Now look, this isn't like, the ones you see on TV. I'm not pulling the old, what's the origin, please? No, get out of here. All right, get out of here. If I need to use it in a sentence, I will, because some of them I want you to make sure you hear the correct pronunciation and all the letters in it. Then you will start spelling it. When you are finished, or you think you're finished on spelling it, please say the word again so I know you're done. So if your word is math, M-A-T-H, math. And then once I hear the word again, I know you're done, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not, and we'll go on to the next person. After everybody goes, the same order will go again for the second, third, fourth, fifth, however many rounds we need. We'll go in the exact same order again. I will warn you, these words do not range from easy to difficult. They're just randomly placed on my sheet of paper, so I'm not going to say it. I'm sorry, but I'm not. If you get a tough word and the next person gets a very easy word, that's just how it is. And finally, I am not going to force anybody to play. All right, so if your number comes up and you would not like to participate, just say no thank you, but that doesn't mean you're not participating in the vote. You're fair game. So pick your poison. Okay, pick your poison there. Everyone, no pressure, but everyone participated if you're to. Any questions about how we're doing this? We're all set to go? No writing down and anything on paper, pen, pencil. Please do not look at anybody and say no, 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 yes, 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 or you'll be eliminated from the bee as well. All right? We ready to do this? Oh, it's been 2 years since I've done this. Actually, no, it's been since this morning.
I'm excited.
Are you excited?
I hope I get PROS.
The only people that got voted out were.
He printed it out.
All right. And then the last thing I forgot to tell you, if somebody misses a word, I will not ask the next person that word. I will come back to it if I am in need of extra words. All right. So it is. I won't tell you why the word you spelled is wrong. You will talk about that at the end of the game. Okay. I'll just say no, yes, and then we will move on. Ready here, Paul? Huh? Look at these. There they are. Woo! All right. What do you say, kids? 8th annual Honors Geometry VC Spelling Bee is underway. 19? 19? You ready? Okay. Your first word is congruence. Congruence. Like, please write me a congruence statement. Not congruent, congruence. Got me?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
C. C-O-N-G-R-U-E-N-T-S.
Are you done?
Congruence.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. Why don't you settle down? All right, and when your turn's up, we'll see if we got a champ here. 20? 20? You going?
Yeah.
Parallelogram. Parallelogram.
Parallelogram, parallelogram.
That is incorrect. One.
Sure.
Ready?
Yeah.
Complement. Complement.
COMPLEMENT. Complement.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. You guys are spelling them. You're right there. Everyone's missing a letter. Missing a letter. Or changing a letter. 11.
Ready.
You ready? Your word. This is a word from logic. Contrapositive. Contrapositive, Paul. Contrapositive.
Can you use it in a sentence? No. Wait, I think I got this. Contrapositive. CONTRAPOSITIVE. Contrapositive.
That is correct. 4. You ready?
Right.
Your word, Griff, is dimension. Dimension.
DIMENSION. Dimension.
Correct. 6. Ready?
Yeah.
Isosceles. Isosceles.
ISOSCELES. Isosceles.
Correct. 3. You ready?
Sure.
Reciprocal. Reciprocal.
RECPRICOL. Reciprocal.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. 23. 9. Done with 23. 2. Okay, Matt. Oblique. Oblique. Like an oblique cylinder is one that kind of leans, doesn't stay straight up. Oblique.
OBLIQUE, oblique.
Correct. 20's gone. 4 has gone. 11 is gone. 10.
I'll go.
All right. Your word is trigonometry. Trigonometry.
Trigonometry. TRIGON. OMITRY. Trigonometry.
That is incorrect. Very close. The end of that word. The end of that word. 8. Theorem. Like the Pythagorean theorem. Theorem. Whoa, 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 whoa. Start over. Go right. Start over. Wasn't ready. That is incorrect. Sorry. 17.
Yeah, I'll go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Exponential. Exponential.
IAL, exponential.
That is incorrect. Forgot a letter. One, two, 9. Ready? Infinite. Infinite.
INFINITE.
That is correct. Good work. Good work. 14, 16. Okay. No problem. What is that, 18?
Yeah, I'll go.
Going?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Denominator. Denominator.
DENOMINATOR. Denominator.
Correct. $19?
I already went. I was first.
Oh, right at the top of my list. 24.
I'll go.
All right. Your word is parabola. Parabola.
PARABOLA. Parabola.
Correct. That's 14.
We don't have one.
We don't have one. We're getting to the end here, I think. 4 down. 23 down. 5. Oh, here we go. The champ.
Oh.
Your word, symmetry. Symmetry.
All right. Symmetry. SYMETRY. Symmetry.
That is incorrect. Missed the old double letter in the middle. What is that? I can't believe that.
16.
16 down. Who's still got to go? It's going to be a pain until this round's over. 17 down. 7.
Yeah, I'll go.
All right. We just had symmetry, right? All right. So next word is intercept, like the y-intercept on a graph.
INTERCEPT. Intercept.
Correct. Have one. 21. All right, your word is vertices. A triangle has 3 vertices.
Oh, vertices.
That is incorrect. The end of that word. The end of that word. Oh, are we getting down to the nitty gritty here? 24 gone. 6. Okay, can we just do this? Who's left? Okay, ready? Brendan 1, Meg 2, Quan 3, Serena 4. There we go. But I'll actually use your actual numbers here just to get this going. Okay, 1. Brad, what's your actual number?
12.
12, done. Okay, your word is deviation. Deviation, like a standard deviation.
Okay. DEVIATION. Deviation.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. 2. What's your actual number?
Me?
Yeah.
13.
Oh, I should ask, are we going?
Yeah.
Okay. Your word is summation. Summation. That is when I add up a sequence of numbers, the answer is called the summation.
Can I have a different word?
Sure. Summation.
What you said?
Just try it.
SUMA. TIO. Wait. Wait. N. S. Summation.
That is incorrect.
Summation.
And there was a double letter in there. 3. What's your actual number, Quan?
22.
22. Logarithm. Logarithm.
LOGRITHM. Logarithm.
That is incorrect. And one letter that needed to be another letter. And Serena, what's your number?
15.
15. All right. Your word is piecewise. Piecewise. A piecewise function.
Piecewise. PIECEWISE. Piecewise.
Correct. All right, we're on to round 2 now. Round 2. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of you left. 9 of you left. So we're going to go in the same order again. So we'll start with number 11. Ready? Number 11. Your word is Pythagorean. Pythagorean.
Can you say it one more time?
Pythagorean. The Pythagorean Theorem.
Pythagorean. PYTHAGERAEN. Pythagorean.
That is incorrect. Sorry. Number 4. Your word is approximation. Approximation.
Approximation. APPROXIMATION. Approximation.
Correct. Moving on to round 3. Number 6. Your word is mathematical. Mathematical.
Mathematical. MATHEMATICAL. Mathematical.
Correct. Number 2. Your word is orientation. Orientation.
Orientation. ORIENTASION. Orientation.
That is incorrect. That is incorrect. Number 9. Your word is proportional. Proportional. Correct. That was number 9. Number 18. Parabolic. Parabolic.
PARABOLIC. Parabolic.
Correct. What were you, 18?
Yeah.
Okay, 24. Your word is sequences. Sequences.
Sequences. S E Q U E N C E S. Sequences.
Correct. We have a battle on our hands here. 7. Your word is coefficient. The number out in front of a variable is called the coefficient.
COEFFICENT. Coefficient.
That is incorrect. Missing a letter at the end there. And 15. Your word is correlation. Correlation.
Correlation. CORRELATION. Correlation.
Correct. We move on to the round 3. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down to 7 now. Oh, sorry. Nope, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 of you now. Going back, number 4. Your word is dependent. You have an independent variable and a dependent variable.
Independent.
No, dependent. Dependent.
D-E-P-E-N-D-A-N-T. Dependent.
That is incorrect. Change one of those letters at the end. You had it. 6. Probability.
Probability. P-R-O-B. P-R-O-P-A-B-I-L-T-Y. Probability.
That is incorrect. Where are we on now? 9. Principal. Principal. Not the principal of the high school, but principal as the amount of money you initially put into an account. Principal. That is incorrect. I'm sorry. But you guys aren't at it. If everyone gets it wrong, we got to go again. So now I'm down to 18. Hypothesis. Hypothesis.
HYPOTHESIS. Hypothesis.
Correct. Moving on.
Mr. Carlino,
Yeah,
can I use the bathroom?
sure. 24. Statistics.
Statistics. S T A T I S T I C S. Statistics.
Correct. Moving on. 15. Quartile. 4 quartiles. First, second, third, and fourth quartile. Quartile.
Quartile. QUARTILE. Quartile.
Correct. We now move on to the next round with 3 remaining people. Back to 18. Associative. The associative property.
ASSOCIATIVE. Associative.
Woo! We are rolling. Correct. 24. Spherical. Spherical. The object had a spherical shape.
Spherical. SPHERICAL. A spherical.
That is incorrect. Leave that E out of there. You would have been fine. All right. This is it. Serena, if you don't get this, Claire, champ, hypotenuse. Longest side of a right triangle is called the hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. HYPOTENUSE. Hypotenuse.
Correct. Claire, back to you. Pyramid.
PYRAMID. Pyramid.
You guys are machines. Serena, equiangular.
Equiangular. EQUIANGULAR. Equiangular.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Claire, dodecahedron. Dodecahedron.
Dodecahedron.
That is incorrect. Serena, if you get this, we will declare you the winner and back in the game. Thousandth. Please round to the nearest thousandth.
Thousand. THOUSANDTH. Thousand.
Welcome back to the Survivor game. Champion, Serena, great job, great job, great job. Woo! Good work, everybody.
Wait, can she vote?
No, she's out. You don't get a vote. Okay, ready? Here we go. So we can go quick. Vote for anybody still in the game, but you can't vote for Serena. She's safe. All right, but I can't keep you safe from the next one, though. Okay? Matt?
I feel bad though, because I was teaching a lot harder.
It's like 24, but I think
They're going now.
Why?
So let's go.
I wanted to put me up first.
Here we go.
Hear you. One of my
I saw your mouth move.
All right, let's write them in. Let's write them in.
Can you not? I do it. Anybody leave a comment or if you guys also know that I have
All those two.
Paul, you're going out.
Oh, yeah.
I would.
We have to make the green.
Wait, oh my god, I think after the break we can vote on that.
I can't do that. You guys are so mean.
Come on,
I don't know. But I also think because like there's like 11 people, like 5 people already. Maybe more.
All right, here we go. Next person.
Well, Paul's getting started.
And this will be that was the last opportunity to get back into game until March anyway. So, all right, here we go. Sorry, happy holidays. Somebody's getting voted out. What do we have? 5 minutes? Perfect. Let's string it out. Paul, first vote. Next vote, Lauren.
Oh my god.
Paul, 2 votes, Paul.
Who said dungeon?
Paul, 3 votes. Brendan now with the vote. Brendan now with 2 votes. Paul, we're up to 4. Jonah now with the vote. Paul. Brendan, oh boy. Here we go. We got a race. Paul? What's the deal?
I don't know.
What do people have against
I
you?
don't know.
Just say, hey, now my hundos don't count towards the class average. Paul, sorry, bud. Paul? Paul? Brendan? Paul? Paul? Sorry, Paul. Just want to make sure we read off so everyone knows. Paul? Paul? And then one more vote. Paul. Sorry, Paul. Wow.
I need to know who wrote Alexander.
Don't clap. You just voted him out, you savages. Give him a pity clap. Now, Paul, every time I hand back your test or quizzes, and it's like, just raise it up for everybody. Sorry, didn't count on this one. Didn't count this one.
I may have started here.
It's okay.
Again, guys, bring everything home, please. Bring everything home.
I'll just have to raise our efforts so we don't vote. I'm definitely
Stay seated to the bell ring, please.
By like the next will be preparing.
Yeah, but
That's probably
Shut up. Why did you choose marriage?
I know everything.
I hate it. For me?
That's why I'll just have to.
Not for Laura.
I'm so dedicated now that I will get a 100. I will get 100 class.
No, I'm gonna do it back for the one. Not that one. And you drop that over first. Some of them first.
Is Eric Jacqueline in that class? Yes. Can you have him come up to his math teacher's room right after school because he left some of his materials here. All right, thanks a lot, appreciate it.
Wasn't the dumpling good? Dumpling was a bit more. That's not good. It was like this.
Are you throwing me? No.
Oh, I don't know. But like,
Okay, so you're so wrong.
Well, I literally have to.
Have a good one, guys. Behave.
Have a good grade.
If it was logical.
Yeah, if it was logical, for math. Wait, what is this? Where did you get the word from?
Just the first couple pages are just words that I teach, so I know are commonly missed, and then I had to Google a bunch of others.
Do you teach that for the geometry?
Oh yeah, it's trigonometry, algebra 2. Yep.
Have a good break.
See you guys. You too. Bye, guys. December today. One jab.